In this video, we will demonstrate how to install the Reach Alpha gripper on a Blueye X3. First, you need to turn off the drone and remove the battery. Next, you need to take off the buoyancy elements and side covers. Grab the edge of the side cover and pull to release the snap hook. If you ordered the gripper together with a Blueye X3, this next step will have been performed by Blueye prior to shipment. First, you need to remove the Torx screws and take off the front cover. Next, we're going to install the mounting point for the gripper. Fit the ring so that it aligns with the angled edge of the bottom aluminum tube, as shown in this picture. Make sure the mounting point is aligned vertically. Alternate between the two screws and tighten them well. Reassemble the front cover. Peel and stick the cable routing clip back onto the front cover, as shown. The next step will be to remove the Blueye blind plug. The gripper can be attached to any of the 3 guest ports. Connect the gripper and ensure the guiding pins align with the drone side. Do not over-tighten the bolt. Guide the cable down and through the opening as shown here. Use a cable tie to attach it to the clip. Carefully cut the cable tie. Mount the right side buoyancy and side cover. Start with the hinges in front and close the side cover. Push hard until you hear a click. Next, attach the left side buoyancy and side cover. Be sure the cable is not pinched between the covers, but exiting through the hole. Attach the side covers with the 3 screws. Lay the drone on its side and ensure the pill-shaped mounting point aligns with the oval groove on the gripper. Tighten the bolt. Push the excess cable back inside the drone. We are now ready to power up the drone. Insert the battery and turn the drone on. Connect your mobile device to the Blueye Wi-Fi and start the Blueye app. Navigate to Settings, Drone Settings, and then Guest Ports. Verify the gripper is discovered by the drone. On the main screen, start a new dive and verify that you can open and close the gripper using the trigger buttons. See the controller page in the app for details on how to operate the gripper. We'll show you how you can quickly remove the gripper. Start by rotating the gripper vertically. Turn off the drone, put it on its side, and unscrew the bolt. Push the gripper back through the slit in the buoyancy to access the connector. Unscrew the cable from the gripper. Connect the blind plug to protect the contacts. Push the cable back inside the drone. Next, we'll show you how to reattach the gripper. Place the drone on its side, remove the blind plug, and connect the gripper. Pull the gripper out through the slit in the buoyancy and ensure that the holes overlap with each other. Make sure the pill-shaped mounting point aligns with the oval groove in the gripper. I hope this video has been of help, but if anything is unclear, please reach out to Blue Eye for support. Best of luck.